Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome back to this channel. Thanks to Canon Singapore, I'm able to have a short hands-on session on the new Canon EOS R8 and the Canon EOS R50. Here's the first look of the R8. It is a full-frame mirrorless camera that combines many of the powerful video and still shooting features of the EOS R6 Mark II, such as Canon Log 3 and up to 40 frames per second continuous shooting. Here is the EOS R50. It's very small and almost can fit into my palm. The R50 is replacing the 77D and M50 Mark II. It is packed with many fun creative tools and automated features, allowing users to create high quality vlogs and images using very minimum camera operations. It comes in two colors, white or black.